A Memorandum of Understanding MOU was signed yesterday between Selco Foundation and the District Administration of Ribhoy, led by Arpit Upadhyaya, Deputy Commissioner for the construction of 8 climate-resilient and solar-powered labour and delivery rooms in health and wellness centres to strengthen maternal and child care. The MOU was signed in the presence of delegates and government health representatives from Meghalaya and Sierra Leone, Ethiopia and Burkina Faso as part of a learning exchanging program to replicate innovative processes and program designed to improve healthcare outcomes through sustainable built environment and decentralized renewable energy.
This MOU, Selco has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward, and after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in Ribhoy district. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have Selco Foundation with our as a partner.